Hi guys, welcome to this Cracked Engineer YouTube channel, and let's do solve today's LeetCode Daily problem, which is n repeated element in size to an array that we are given with an integer array nums with the following properties, which is nums dot length will be even with 2n, and nums contains n plus 1 unique elements, and exactly one element of nums is repeated n times. So n plus 1 unique elements, and one element was repeated n times. So other n elements were all unique that we can uh, derive from these hints, and we need to return the element that is repeated n times. So we have one element that is going to be repeated n times, and all other n elements were unique. So here we can see the length of nums is 4, and two elements were unique and the other two were same. And here as well, that three elements were unique and the three elements were same, which is two, same like that. So if we think of that, to find the element that is repeated n times, so obviously um, we can think of the solution directly is using hash map, that whenever we find an element that is which is already seen before, then we can simply return that as an output, because the all other elements which are present in the nums are unique, they don't repeat, and we are looking for that element which is repeated n times. That is the only element which is uh, repeated in the nums. So we can use a scene set, and we can loop over nums, and if num was seen earlier, then we will return the num. After that, if it is not seen yet, then we will add that num to scene. And yeah, that's most of the solution here, but we just return 0 for handling edge cases like empty list of nums. Okay, then the time complexity for this solution would be O of n by 2 plus 1, that will be equal to O of n, and space complexity will also be the same, imagining the worst case with all unique elements were in the first half of the nums, and the second half with all the num with all repetitions. So that would take the space complexity and time complexity of O of n. Uh, and yeah, I think that would be optimized solution here. I don't think any optimization is possible here, because um, in the worst case, you need to iterate till n by 2 elements in the nums, where n is the length of whole of length of nums, not like the given in the uh, question, the 2n length. So yeah, that would be most of it. Let's quickly run this. Yeah, we can submit this to see how well it is doing. Yeah, it is doing pretty well. And thank you. You're still here, and we can solve this question, few more questions coming days. And if you like the thinking and